Hi there, this is Dr. Judith Briles with another shorty, less than 3-minute tip. And I'm going to do multiple ones dealing with cover designs because it's so important. This one deals with you DIYers. Don't. A book cover, should never be a DIY project. I've even seen people who are in graphic design thinking, yes, they can do their own. And they don't do such a great job. Sometimes you're too close to it. And the other thing is, they don't really realize who their reader is. And one thing that's really important for me, I want to really like my covers. Oh, yes, I do. But I also know it's important that whoever I am writing for also is attracted to them. So you have to start stepping aside. Your cover should just shout out what it's about for nonfiction. So remember this entitling. If you have a main title, that's one thing. That's good. Maybe a short. A lot of designers like short. And you have that. If you have a subtitle, that's the reveal. So the main title could be The Grabber, Pick Me Up, but the subtitle is the promise, what's inside between the covers. So if you have expertise, it should shout out, this is what your book is all about. And that, again, I'm just going to stress, do not do this yourself. You may have some ideas. Certainly, if in my opinion, when your designers are professional, they want your input. They want to know where they're going. They want feedback. But then I want to tell you to get out of their way and let them do what they do best. I'm Judith Briles. Please, please, please subscribe to this channel on YouTube and share it with your friends and other authors and writers.